Lights are out, system down, and trying to pay rent. I gotta work it out, but it ain't that easy. Work 9 to 5, can't sleep at night, my money's all spent. I do anything to not go crazy. Whoa, miss the days when I was 18.
So I got a package. Amazon do me good. Amazon do me good. Studio equipment. Do check out the link in the description box. I get commission off that as well. So we are going to unbox today, you guys.
Oh, take me back in time. I'm not that for system down and trying to pay rent. I gotta work it out, but it ain't that easy. Work 9 to 5, can't sleep at night, my money's all spent. I do anything to not go crazy. Whoa.
This one on. And this one right here is supposed to be up high and up over, like kind of over your head. To hold it, you need sand in these little sandbags that they gave you. But the lights are pretty simple to put together once you get the hang of it. I'm definitely gonna do a reveal of my studio once it's all together. So y'all have to stay tuned for that. Also, if you have not checked out my empty townhouse tour, do check that out. The link will be in the description box. If you do not see it in the description box, it will be in the corner of the screen. Or another day, another dollar. How things are looking right now, this backdrop, which I made smaller, as you can see. It is smaller because I removed a pole from the middle of it to make it shorter in here because it was extremely long. I don't feel like I need all of that for what I do. But if I ever happen to want to make it bigger, I have an extra pole.
I gotta work it out, but it ain't that easy. Work 9 to 5, can't sleep at night, my money's all spent. I do anything to not go crazy. Whoa, miss the days.
All right, of course I have to steam this. I want all of these lines out of it. This is not paper. This is, don't really know what it's made out of, but it's definitely some form of fabric. But I'm gonna set up my lights real quick for you guys. Guys, so this is pretty much my little setup so far. Okay, now I will do a official studio tour, studio room tour whenever I get my desk and everything set up, all of my equipment set up in here. So I am just showing you guys this little set here. So ring light not included. I still have not put sand in this bag or some type of rocks or something so I could fully like extend that out and over. Have not done that just yet, so bear with me on that. I'm definitely gonna move that out of here because I need more space for my desk here. So definitely gonna be doing that. But that is pretty much it, you guys. It was pretty easy to put together, except if you don't know what you're doing with the lights, yeah, you're gonna have to be sure to be patient when putting those together. All right, so perfectly lit, okay? So yeah, that's that. Boom. So yes, you guys, that is an unofficial showing of my studio room because everything not together yet. But yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, if you're interested in buying this kit, you will find the link in the description box, okay? Direct link. If you order from that link in the description box, I will get a cut of the money. So keep that in mind. Thanks, guys. Bye.